You can use donation blocks to collect donations for your business, organization, or wedding registry. To begin, you will need to connect a payment processor to your site from within the Payments panel. Here, you can connect directly to Squarespace Payments, or connect to a third-party payment processor like Stripe or PayPal. Then, you can add a donation block to a page on your site to start accepting donations. Clicking into the block settings will allow you to customize the functionality and design of your block. Select Fund Settings to update the disclaimer details, donation amounts, and recurring donation settings. Back in the block settings, you can update the button text and modify the alignment, padding, and style from within the Design tab. Please let us know if you have any other questions. We're always here to help.